How to replace an Evac vacuum toilet push button. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a crosshead screwdriver. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the outer cover by carefully prising it away. Using the correct screwdriver, remove the screws that retain the back plate. Carefully lift the back plate away and detach the hose. Take care not to lose the hose through the hole. Take the replacement push button, remove the housing and disassemble. Attach the hose to the back plate, making sure it is secure. Carefully feed the hose through the hole and attach the back plate. Do not over-tighten the screws. Assemble the push button components. Attach the outer cover to the back plate. It should click into place. Test the installation by pressing the button.